Good morning, it's day 126 and we are in the lodge getting ready to eat breakfast. We just ordered, I'm getting eggs, bacon, and home fries. And then we are gonna head down to Williamstown. I think that's the name of it. It's like 6 miles from here and we're gonna meet Ninelives and one of my former students, Zach. Here's my breakfast to get me ramped up and ready to go today. I have some orange juice, and believe it or not, I'm drinking a little coffee, but it is stocked with sugar and creamer. So breakfast of champions. Okay, we are on trail. It is 9:02, and there's the bus. We are headed north into Williamstown, where we are going to meet Ninelives. So it's a little windy out here. I have my rain jacket on because I'm using it as a windbreaker. Otherwise I might be freezing. Look at what we're marching towards. The sun is gonna burn off all this dew or fog or whatever it is, because we are socked in right now. 6 miles to get to town. Zach, one of Middleburg's alumni, is going to pick up my shoes for me today and bring it into town for me. Get to meet his family, get to hang out with Ninelives, do laundry, resupply, and just have a grand old time. Lots of victories today. Here we go. Got to make sure we're going the right direction. I slept so good last night. Maybe that coffee put a little hip in my skip. I'm not sure. But I'm feeling good. Here's the view as we continue heading down Mount Greylock. Beautiful. On the way down from Mount Greylock, we have just summited Mount Williams. There's the view. I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, the wind towers that we saw last night. So, having a pretty nice view. And we are continuing down to the base of Mount Greylock. There it is. So we've been hiking for about an hour and 15 minutes. It's a pretty part of the forest. We have a little bit of a climb, and then it looks like from the far out map that we go like straight down. So it'll be interesting to see what the terrain is there. Look both ways. Entering Hopper Natural Area. Today will be our last full day in Massachusetts. Tomorrow we'll head into Vermont. It's hard to believe. We just had a nice climb. It wasn't very long, but we are headed to the Mount Prospect Ledges, and we're getting a good breeze. Today's been, I thought it was gonna be really cold, and up on Mount Greylock it was chilly, but the temps have warmed up. It's turned out to be an absolutely beautiful day. But this is probably the warmest it's been in 4 or 5 days, I guess. All right, I think we're getting to the ledges. See what this says. So we've gone 3.2 so far. And Mount Prospect Trail. And, oh, we're not going there. This is the Mount Prospect, whoops, ledges. Wow. Well, we're hitting the Mount Prospect ledges for the second time because we got off route and went back down the way we came up. So we went down a half mile and back up, but it's all good because today was a short day anyways. And so we will get to the top of this and head back down.
Oh yeah?
All right, look at who I found.
It's off a little bit up here in the northeast, but
Ninelives! Woo! Everybody's gonna be so excited to see you. There is trail magic here.
I see this one.
Wow.
Came from that way.
We are at North Adams and we're going into Christos, famous pizza restaurant. And we have Ninelives, and then Zach and Mark are coming to meet with us and have lunch with us too. Well, I just wanted to introduce you guys. This is Zach and Mark, and they, Zach was in one of my classes back in the 80s.
1987.
That's right, he was in my weightlifting class, and so they came and traveled at least an hour, right?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours to come and see us, and we stopped and ate at the pizza place.
Yeah.
He picked up my shoes for me, so he's been a trail angel. And Mark hung around with us today and had some pizza with us.
It's been a great time. Such wonderful people.
So we've really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.
And
we enjoy
you.
the channel too. It's
Oh,
been
good.
It's been a lot of fun for us.
Have you watched it at all,
We
Mark?
both watch
Yeah?
it together. Yeah.
Good.
It's great. Good
Good
stuff.
deal.
Thank you.
Well, I wanted to introduce them and just share with you some of the people that have been in my life and people that are impacting our journey. So thank you. Look at what Mark just gave us. He is now an official trail angel. Yay! Just got out of Dollar General and I'm planning for 3 days, but I've got to go into the grocery store, see if they have any protein bars, and I need to get into CVS to see if they have a visor. No visor, so on to the grocery store. Loading up on some protein before we hit the trail again. Next stop, laundry. Look at the guys. Here's the ridge line past the cemetery that we'll be hiking next. We are getting ready to do some laundry. I've got to go change into my rain jacket and my other pair of shorts so everything else can go into the wash. We're gonna do this.
We're gonna do
So
this.
look at who.
Wait, are you live?
Yeah. No, not live.
I didn't get them.
I told you. Hey, we have been spending the afternoon with Ninelives. You guys all remember our Ninelives.
Hello.
So tell us what it feels like to be off trail. How you healing?
Well, healing's a slow process. The knee's good, but the foot's still, and I think it's just gonna way of life going forward. I
Yeah?
just have to find another way to do what I need to do.
How's your appetite?
Hiker hunger is real. Neil hasn't changed his hiking habits since he got off trail.
And
But,
it doesn't go away when you get off the trail, is it you're
No,
telling me?
No, I ate healthy for 10 years until I went on the trail, and
Now it's all over.
and so I
Okay,
gotta start all over again.
was I right about the sugar?
Yes, you were. Yes, my
Yeah.
A1C sugar level went from. I was worried about this.
I know you were.
I thought the sugar was going to go up with all that stuff I was eating on the trail.
And I
but
kept on telling you.
it went from 5.9 to 5.3.
Nice. Was he impressed?
Surprising. Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder what it is now.
Yeah, I'm not going back for a while. I got to get rid of this hiker hunger, and I got to get back on a treadmill somehow. Yeah, but other than that, slow process.
Yeah.
When you get back off the trails, trying to get used to your regular life and everything else.
Yeah.
But I'm just about there now.
Yeah.
But I gotta be. And the other thing, sleeping. I can't sleep past 6:30. It doesn't matter.
And
what
you're
time.
retired.
I know. It's killing me. Those are the quality hours right there. 6:30
Yeah.
to 8:30.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter what time I go to bed. I tried staying up till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and I will wake up at 6:30, 6:45, the latest.
Wow.
I've had some 5 o'clock in the morning, just wake up and can't get back to sleep stuff. So when I get back to 8:30, that's when I know I get that under control.
How
I miss
long?
you guys, though.
Yeah, well, we miss you too. I'm so glad that we were staying in touch and we keep on tagging you every time we hit another milestone.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was awesome that you came out here. He's helped us resupply. He took us out for lunch, and now we're doing our laundry. And he's just hanging out with us and taking us back to trail.
I gotta do my shit. You guys help me. You help me, so I can be a trail angel today.
Yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys the picture he sent me of him on McAfee Knob. It's classic.
Although, yeah,
It's a great picture. He showed us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, well, we all appreciate it, and
Thank you.
yeah, we miss you like crazy.
I miss you too. Glad to see you today.
Yep, I know.
Keep following.
That's right. Just said goodbye to Ninelives, and now we're heading back on the trail. We got a lot done today. Had some good visits with Zach and his son Mark and Ninelives. We were able to eat lunch with them, and then we did our resupply, and then our laundry, and then got dropped back off where we got picked up so we can get back out on the trail and get to our destination for the night. It was sad saying goodbye to Ninelives, but so good to see him. He always knows how to make us laugh. So it was fun catching up with him, and we'll definitely be keeping him up to date. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing him again. Phoenix finally saw her bear. We were afraid we're gonna miss out on this one. And look what we just came up on. 1,600 miles. Phew. All right, here's our campsite for the night. There is season 1, Phoenix is on the left and mine. And then look at how full our food bags are. We're getting ready to go put them in the bear box and call it a night. Got a big day tomorrow, so. And look at my new shoes. They're feeling good. Okay, it's time to close out the video. So thank you so much for watching. We had an awesome day today. Lots of victories. We went to 1,600 miles. Phoenix saw her first bear. Well, actually, she saw 3 of them. We got to see Ninelives, and that was awesome. He treated us to lunch. And then we got to see one of my former students who graduated in '87, and he brought his son to see us, little Mark, and they ate lunch with us and spent some time, and he brought me my shoes, and Mark gave us some candy. And so amazing trail angels, all 3 of them, Ninelives, Mark, and Zach. And we had a breakfast this morning at the restaurant, and I can't remember if we had any more victories, but those were all really good things. So that was awesome. We had a great time and didn't do a lot of miles, but we also got our laundry done. We had resupply, and so it was a productive day, and we got a lot of cool things that happened. So anyways, as always, I will see you tomorrow morning, and we are going to be knocking out about 18 miles, and hopefully it's going to be a beautiful day. But either way, we're going to make it happen. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the morning. Bye. Peace out.